Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, this is the most awaited video for IDBI executive. This video not only helps IDBI executive but also to many bankers about to joining in different organizations. See friends, this is the most important area for any employee in any organization. So performance evaluation of any employee, how do they carry out, so we going to see in this video very clearly. See friends, especially for in IDBI executive case, we going to discuss in this video, and this scenario will be continuing all other organizations also. See friends, first thing is, first after joining organization, you will every quarter you have some e-learning. What is e-learning means? About KYC, about anti-money laundering, about negotiable instrument act, how checks are, types of checks. So you have all this like PDF type. So you have to read and you have to answer over there in your system. See friends, this will be every year for executives. There is a year to year contract renewal. So if you complete only, your contract renewal will be there. So after joining the bank, so ask someone when will be the our e-learning comes. So after 3 months you will get this e-learning. So this is the first one, and second one is customer handling. See friends, this is the one of the most important areas. So customer handling in banking, it is very important. So see friends, whenever you are going bank, whenever you are starting your banking career, see you are entering into the branch, keep smile on your face and start with that fresh moment. From day 1 to you start this one, from morning to evening you keep smile on your face. Why I am saying keep smile on your face means, see friends, there are certain customers, they intentionally want you an argument, so you try to avoid that argument. So this is the major portion for bankers. So if you are in argument, so the commit you are like you will commit something, like some mistakes you going to do. So for that one you have to stay late evenings also. So in order to avoid all these things, so try to avoid customer arguments. So third one is, there are certain number of schemes every year updated by Government of India as well as central government and state government. See friends, why I am stating this one, there are schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti and Pradhan Mantri Bhima Yojana and Atal Pension Yojana. So all these schemes are implemented by Government of India. So if someone comes to your desk, sir, I want to do so and so insurance means, just you tell them that it is like 12 rupees premium and 330 rupees premium. So tell them, for customer who are poor, you know the customer status. So once you are enter his or her details in your system, you come to know customer how he is. So how he is maintaining balance in his account. So you can tell them, okay, these are the schemes given by our Government of India. So like in Corona case also 2 lakhs worth they added to these schemes, existed one. So who are poor, you can convert them to this type of schemes, and who are eligible, okay. So this one also they will see at the time of your performance evaluation. This one also they will going to see. And third one, your obedience. See friends, in banking means, don't think that you have certain work to your desk, so once you done you can leave branch. It is not like that. Olden days banking was gone, so leave it that one. Nowadays it is completely scenario completely is different. You are banker means you have to learn all the works. You should be knowledgeable, then only you will get more powers. What more powers means, if something mistake done by someone, like you are not done but you are solved in that case, so they will respect you. Even they were senior to you, but they will respect you. So try to learn every day score. So you are given some passbook printer, or you are given some desk like cash, so I can handle only cash and I can leave. So it is not the scenario in banking. So try to, like, you have to get awareness of all days, what is the work is going on, so on so days. So then you will be very knowledgeable in banking. So some customer ask you regarding gold loan, so try to like you tell them what type of interest rates available. So if someone comes to you regarding fixed deposit, you tell them they were not satisfied with interest rate, you tell them like every 1 year to 1.5 years, like 2 years, like 3 years, 5 years, like that rate of interest will be high. So you try to convey that one. They were not satisfied with one like first year interest rate, you can tell second year interest rate, you can tell third year interest rate. So customer is very important for us. So any banker, only base, that is backbone of the banker is customer. So try to convert the customer whatever they required. So that is very very important. This will be added in your performance evaluation. And your obedience, see friends, whenever you are like senior, either maybe he is manager, assistant manager, maybe your branch head, whoever it is, they were saying about something to do. So tell them, sir, yes, I will do, but you are busy, I know you are 100% busy, still you tell them I will do. You tell them only I can, I will do, that's all. Nothing you are doing or not, that is secondary thing. Whenever something they were telling, just tell them that yes, I will do. So your obedience also, it matters. And third one, see friends, your skills. See, in banking we can't learn everything in like within 3 to 4 months, it takes time. So you try to learn everything, if it is possible, within 6 months. Within 6 months all desk work you learn within 6 months. So your skills, how quick learner you are, so that one also in your performance evaluation. Not only in IDBI case, it will be like wherever you go, it will be same. Wherever you go in banking sector, if it is private, if it is government, if it is something else, it is same only. See friends, there is very 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 important word, that is supervisor. Once you join the organization, like through IBPS or SBI or something extra examination, there will be a word called supervisor in your branch. So once you enter into the bank, there will be a pop-up, otherwise you have some official mail, in it you will get your who is your supervisor. See friends, this is the most important person for you. This guy only evaluate all your performance, either he is manager cadre or he is branch head cadre, but this is the guy evaluate all your performance. See friends, he only eligible to give marks, like what are I told above, right? Whatever I mentioned so far. So all these things carried out by this guy. Who is he? He is supervisor of yours. So try to obey what he is trying to convey daily. Like there are certain cases you are not be punctual sometimes. So give correct answer, whatever the reason for your like delay, you give that one. See friends, this is the supervisor word itself, it is very very important for any banker who wants to start his career in banking. This word is very important for him. Whatever he says, that it is correct or wrong, just tell them I will do. Then same thing, try to avoid customer arguments and try to avoid mistakes. See friends, you are in a hurry way, so try to avoid committing mistakes while you are entering something data. So try to avoid it. So if you are making mistakes, you have to stay for that. Whenever you can rectify, then only you can leave the branch, otherwise you can't leave the branch sometimes also. Okay, try to avoid mistakes while you are entering. So all these things will be carried out by supervisor, and he will be given you all marks, like your performance evaluation based on all these things whatever above I mentioned. So try to be obedient, try to be punctual, try to be knowledgeable. So all these things will be carried out by your supervisor. So try to obey, try to avoid customer arguments. Okay, try to convert customer needs, whatever customer want, try to give him something. So customer only the very very important for bankers. So don't lose customer unnecessarily. See, customer whenever argues with us, something will be there. So don't tell customer he is wrong. So sometimes customer also wrong, but you have to be cool. They unnecessarily makes arguments, you have to be cool. Then once customer realize, they will tell sorry also. So don't like if you have more anger, like try to be cool, don't lose your peace. Someone argues at your desk, so something goes beyond your control, so your supervisor or branch head will take care. So don't be unnecessarily in argument. So these all the points I want to share with you guys. So one more thing, that IDBA executive joining, when will be this, sir? Like we have see total IDBA executive joining history means they have given before 10th of every month. So I am expecting next month will be your joining, most probably next week, next month will be your joining. In this month end, probably you will get mails regarding your joining. So take care, friends. Thank you for your support. I need to thank each and everyone who supported me. So if you have still any query regarding anything, you can drop me in comment column. If I can I know that one, I can give you reply. Otherwise I try to get it that information someone else, and I will reply you. So thank you, friends. Take care. Bye, friends.